Welcome to the Mummification Operation Museum Kiosk. Let's talk about this homepage. You can start right away by sliding open the sarcophagus, learn how to play, or learn some definitions of the tools used for mummification. How about we start the game? First, let's learn how to play. Here you learn how to play the game in 3 easy steps. Once you have read through the instructions, you can start the game or view the video tutorial for a visual representation of how the game works. Let's start and follow the steps. First, you tap and drag the organs to the canoptic jars. Next, you pour salt all over the body to dry out the skin. To finish, wrap up the mummying gauze. Congratulations! You've mummified successfully! From here, you can redo the operation or view some definitions of elements used in the game. This is the definition of the canoptic jars, and they are defined as a painted urn used in ancient Egyptian burials to hold the entrails or organs from a mummification body. That concludes this tutorial of the Mummification Operation Museum Kiosk. Thank you!